Hello, Search Committee and undergraduate students. My name is Danielle Brenna, an applicant for Instruction Librarian here at New York City College of Technology. Thank you for inviting me to conduct this job talk on using the database Scopus as a research tool for undergraduates. Before we get into Scopus, allow me to tell you a little bit about myself. I am a Pratt Institute graduate from the School of Information and Library Science. I have my BA in English Literature from City College of New York, a fellow CUNY school. It may not come as a surprise, but I love to research things. I love expanding my knowledge and gaining new insight and information on nearly anything and everything. What makes research fun is not only the new knowledge you get to obtain, but it's fun to explore new tools that help make the research process easy and simple. Now, let's talk about the database Scopus. Scopus is a database produced by the publishing company Elsevier. Scopus is a distinguished database used by many users in several fields, such as the health sciences, which include dentistry and nursing, life sciences, which include biology and agriculture, social sciences, such as arts, humanities, business, and history, and the physical sciences, which include chemistry, math, and engineering. To give you a visual of what Scopus is all about, have a look at these two pie charts. In the left-hand pie chart, you can see that there are many different publishers associated with Scopus, so we are presented with a wide range of reputable publishers. On the right-hand pie chart, you can see a breakdown of how many of the sources from Scopus are associated with each topic or subject. The majority of the sources are associated with health and physical sciences, both of which greatly apply to the students here at New York City College of Technology. Scopus is a full-text database that contains over 21,000 journal articles, 50,000 books, 6.5 million conference papers, and 24 million patent documents. Scopus has a ton of quality resources that can be used by students and professors, and luckily, City Tech offers this database for you, the user, to explore. Using the Scopus database is very easy to use. As you can see, Scopus's interface is very sleek, simple, and easy to navigate. You have your search boxes here. You can choose what fields you would like to search in here, such as selecting article titles, keywords, abstract, or references. You can see there are other refinement tools, such as searching by date range, document type, and which subject science you would like to choose from, and so on. There are four main search options. We can search by document, the primary search, by author, affiliation, and we are also able to conduct an advanced search. Let's imagine a scenario. You are an undergraduate student looking for resources for a research project on the advancements of 3D printing and how it has contributed to rapid prototyping. Now that you know what kind of database Scopus is and the types of sciences it focuses on, you will know that Scopus will help you locate the materials you need for your research product. Before you start your researching, let's cover some basics about conducting research. When searching, you can't just copy and paste your thesis or prompt into the search box. Instead, you need to search one or two keywords or phrases that apply to your topic. In our case, we will use 3D printing and rapid prototyping. On the database, you will also notice a drop-down menu next to the search boxes. These are called connectors. These will help broaden or narrow your search results based on your keywords. For example, if we search just 3D printing, we receive well over 2,000 results. If we search only rapid prototyping, we receive over 16,000 results. Now, if we use the connector OR and search both of these phrases, this will search for documents that are about both 3D printing or rapid prototyping, and we will receive a combination of those results, over 19,000. To narrow this, we will search both key terms and use the connector AND, since we want materials that are about both of these topics. Another useful tip in searching a database is the use of quotation marks. Using quotation marks for 2 or more words, we'll search for those words exactly as they appear within the quotes. For our research, we will refrain from using quotation marks as we want to get a feel for the types of materials that are available. Now, on to our research. We will enter 3D printing in our search box here, and we'll then click Add Additional Field, and we'll enter Rapid Prototyping into this box and click the search button. The results page shows us a variety of results. First, we can see how many results we received, which appears to be 498. Here, you can see the title of the work, authors, the date, the journal it was published in, and the amount of times the article was cited in other articles. The results are sorted by the most recent date by default. Here, we can sort our results by other factors, such as how many times they were cited, or by relevance. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see many tools and options to further refine our results. We can select particular years, we can refine by author, subject area, journals, doc types, affiliations, and more. We can simply check the boxes on how we'd like to refine and click Limit To. For example, if we refined our search results to view journal articles from 2013 and 2014 only, we are presented with 191 results. Scopus also allows you to edit your current search as well as save your search to return to at a later time. You can even set up alerts which notify you of new additions to these results. Depending on your search, results may display secondary documents as an option. These documents are not available in the Scopus database, but are extracted from the references in the documents from our results, which are available. This can further help expand your research. Before we download just any document from our results, you should review the documents to determine whether they are relevant to your topic. To review the documents in detail, simply click the title of the article. As you can see on this page, you're able to view the abstract, look at authors, whom you can contact by clicking their name. You are also able to review the references of that document by clicking here. In research, article references can help us expand our results when researching a topic. Likewise, you will see related documents to this article on the right here. These features will help you, the user and researcher, better assess your resources and help you move forward with your research. Now that you have reviewed the articles and have chosen the ones you wish to download, check the boxes next to the titles on the results page and click Export at the top. You can export as PDFs or save to other document management systems. On our results page, we can click Analyze Results at the top of the page. Here, we're able to view trends of a topic based on time and are able to see when this topic peaked and how often it is searched and or cited. As you can see, we are able to see how many articles were published in each year on these topics, which authors and journals contributed the most, as well as country statistics. What may be most helpful are the charts for document types and subject areas, where it shows the user convenient information such as which forms of documents are most available on this topic via Scopus, as well as information on which subject fields published the most in these topics. Another cool aspect is the Compare Journals feature, where the user is able to view the ranks of each journal that has published on this topic, allowing you to further narrow down your results to a specific journal. If, as an undergraduate, you find yourself asking, how can analyzing our results and comparing journals help with research? Well, it's simple. The information you obtain from analyzing and comparing will help provide you with more avenues to travel in seeking the information you need for your research topic. The more information you have from your research, the more detailed your research paper will be. As you can see, Scopus can be a great tool for undergraduates seeking up-to-date and reputable information and resources on important topics in the varying science fields that students at City Tech are often researching. As an undergraduate, you will be prompted with what seems like an endless amount of research papers, but with the use of Scopus, the process in obtaining research materials should help put you at ease, allow you to focus more on your writing. Thank you for allowing me to conduct this job talk on Scopus.